everyone, this is Ashish Saini from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy to announce that we are here with a new project, and that project is really important for you guys, and also that is very important for me because that is really a project in which you will see that there are different technologies connected together, right? So firstly, you will see that we are having a Rasa Chatbot. Secondly, we will be having the Internet of Things, which is very important, and also you will have a very basic understanding for the different microcontrollers that you will have in the market. Like in the today's session, we are going to use the Nodemcu that you can see in here. So we will be having this into the project which I am going to show you today. And in today's project, what exactly we are going to do is we are going to control the home appliances with the chatbot that I have made on the Rasa Chatbot, right? So this is what exactly we are going to do, and I will really show you that how exactly it is going to work, right? So in this project, one more thing that I am going to show you is that I have also connected the Telegram in here, because I will be using the Telegram channel, and on that channel I will be having one channel, or let's say I will be having my bot to which I am going to connect, and I am going to say some phrases, and with respect to that my chatbot is going to say, or let's say it is going to take an action, whether to turn on the light or to turn off the light, whether to turn on the fan or to turn off the fan, right? So this is how exactly we are going to work. Now let's get started and let's see how to control the appliances and how does it work. Now let's see how does it work. So for that I am going to talk to my bot which I have set up on the Telegram, right? So for that, firstly it's saying, hey, how may I assist you? So I'm gonna turn off the light because right now the light is already on. So let's say turn off the light. See, the light is turned off, and now I'm gonna turn it on again. So the light is turned on. Now it's time to control the fan. So let's say turn on the fan. So you can see the fan is turned on. Now let's try to turn it off again. Turn off the fan. See, the fan is turned off, right? So this is the way how we can control the home appliances by using the Rasa Chatbot, IoT, the Nodemcu, and also the Telegram. So these are the different technologies that I have connected together, using which I am able to control the home appliances, right? So this is the way how I can do this, and I hope everything is clear to you and you have understood everything very clearly, right? So this is all about that part. And also I wish that you will definitely love this project, and you would also want me to make some more videos like this. Until then, bye bye and happy learning.